Hi, Stefan from C.O. Kennedy here. In this clip, we're going to look at vertical offset. So currently we're in our dig screen, we have design, we're running, we're happy, but we need an offset. Two ways we can do this. First one, I want to be below my current surface. So you've got the up down arrow keys. You can start pressing them in individually for a rather small change, or if you press and hold, you will get desired change of quite significance. So you can see here I have 660 millimeters offset. The blue surface is now the offset surface that we're referencing to, and it's as simple as that. Again, if I went the other way, comes all the way back up, the blue surface will then appear above, and you can see that my cut fills act accordingly. Alternately, you can go into the tools menu, you can click on the vertical offset. Now you have a digital box where you can do it in hundreds, tens or ones, quite simply by hitting that one there. There's a change straight away. If I hit it again, there's another 100, another 100. So you can see the change here and the change up at the top of the screen as well. The offsets are coming in. To undo that, I can simply go the opposite direction. The A button at the end is auto, so if I hit that twice, it automatically removes it. If I hit it in the beginning, it will offset wherever the bucket is positioned above the surface. So again, auto off just removes what's there already. Auto on, wherever that bucket is sitting, that's where your surface offset will be. Just get rid of it one more time, exit, close the dialog box, and that's how you do a vertical offset for an excavator.